Welcome to Anu's kitchen. Today I am going to show you Pepper Rasam. Pepper is a very good home remedy for cold cough and helps in good digestion. Let's see the ingredients. Ingredients for Pepper Rasam: 1 cup of cooked Toor Dhal, 2 tomatoes and 2 chillies, tamarind juice, Hing, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Jeera, 1 teaspoon of ghee and a few curry leaves as required, and turmeric powder. Start the preparation. We have to light the gas flame and take a pan and heat the pan. First take peppercorns and fry them. And to this peppercorn you can add jeera also and then fry both together for just 2 minutes. To this we have to add some curry leaves also and fry them. Now switch off the gas flame and transfer it to a plate. You can see I have added the tamarind essence to the pan. To this we have to add the required crystal salt, then Hing, two chillies and tomatoes, and mix it well. Now you have to allow it to boil for more than 10 minutes. Now the rasam is boiled for 10 minutes. Now you have to take the raw ingredients. Now we have to take the dry roasted ingredients and grind it to a coarse powder. Now the ground ingredient you have to put it to the rasam and then mix it well. You can add even the cooked dal to the rasam and mix it well and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. Getting boiled and it is ready, and you can transfer it into a bowl. And we have to do the tadka in the end. Now we have to do the tadka. For tadka you take a small pan and put 1 teaspoon of ghee And to that you have to put 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now allow it to splutter. Now switch off the gas flame and then put the now the rasam is ready. You can try this at home and give your feedback in the comment box. Please do share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.